My name is Albella.
और मेरा नाम समीर है.
Don't you know English?
Why no English? I know English. English is a very funny language. I know it.
Please tell me, what is the meaning of as cool as cucumber?
You mean kankadi? Cucumber? Yes, it is very cool. When we eat inside, very cool. बहुत ठंडा, very cool.
Ha 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 ha. Samir, you are a gentleman. What do you do?
Sir, I am a student studying in a nearby college.
Good. Schools and colleges are a nice place to learn new things.
Sir, I am from a village. There are no good teachers, no good schools, so very difficult to learn English.
Samir, if you want to grow in your career, English plays a great role. You must have good knowledge of written and spoken English. If one doesn't understand English, then one must go through the school books, from 1 to 5, at least, to begin with.
Again opening school books. A for apple, B for ball.
Look, there is nothing to laugh or feel ashamed about it. School books are foundations.
Sir, is it possible to learn English in 7 days or 30 days?
Samir, there is no shortcut to learn any language. You have to work hard and practice consistently. But there are some activities. If you do those, it will help you learn fast.
Some activities?
7 activities. LRGMWRS.
Sir, please explain it, sir.
Yes, sure. L for listening. R for reading. G for grammar. M for memorizing. W for writing. R for role play. S for speaking. All these activities should go hand in hand.
Hand in hand? You mean हाथ में हाथ?
Ha, 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 Samir, again a joke. Ha, ha, ha.
I understood, sir. We should do all these activities without skipping any of them.
Yes, absolutely.
What lootly, sir?
It's not lootly, it is, absolutely, absolutely. So if you listen English more, you can improve your pronunciation. You go and meet my friend, Kiala. She will explain you more about these activities.
Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you.
You are always welcome.
अरे समीर, तैयार हुआ क्या? कॉलेज के लिए लेट हो रहे भाई. जल्दी चल. जल्दी तैयार हो. See, I'm ready. I'm ready, यार. Let's go. अच्छा, तू भी इंग्लिश बोलने लगा. ये मुंह और मसूर की दाल. वाह भाई वाह, अंग्रेजी बाबू. Yes, Arun. From today onwards, I will drink English, I will eat English, and I will sleep English. Let's go. आजकल समीर को इंग्लिश का भूत चढ़ा है भाई. क्या बात कर रहे हो? हाँ यार, आजकल इंग्लिश में बहुत दिस-दट कर रहा है वो. तुम्हें क्या लगता है इंग्लिश बोलना इतना आसान है? बहुत मुश्किल है भाई, बहुत मुश्किल. वही तो, कहाँ से शुरू करें, कहाँ ख़त्म करें, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. तुम्हें पता है, समीर कह रहा था अब वो हमसे सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही बात करेगा. समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करूं. मेरी तो इंग्लिश बोलते समय ज़बान लड़खड़ाती है.
और मैं जब इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करता हूँ तो मेरी तो ज़बान नीचे ही गिर जाती है.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Professor Albella told me about you. What do you want to know?
Madam, I want to speak English fluently, but I am not able to speak English fluently. Please help me, madam.
Well, Samar, listening is the first step of learning any language. As a child listens to her mother, then speaks what he learns.
Yes, madam. It is true.
You have to listen good English to understand proper pronunciation, tone, expressions, and flow of the conversation. It can be stories, audiobooks, English movies, news. Better you start listening kids' stories.
Ha, madam. Yes, madam. There are very beautiful stories for kids in India, like Panchatantra, Jatak Kathaएं, Tenali Raman, Akbar and Birbal, and other stories. They are very witty, and it will make you wise.
Oh, they will make me wise?
Ha, madam. No, madam. I think they will make one wise.
Okay. Now I will explain you other activities. Reading, it is very important in any language learning process. Reading loudly is an exercise of our mouth, tongue, and facial muscles, and of course brain. It also develops our mind and mouth coordination. Reading and our mind should work in a proper coordination. Otherwise, one will fumble. Now Samir, could you please read a paragraph from this book?
In a beautiful jungle lived three friends, the elephant, the crocodile and the giraffe. One day they found a magic lamp. They rubbed it and there appeared a genie. The genie said, I am the genie of the lamp. I can do whatever you ask me to do.
Did you notice how many times you fumbled and your reading was not good? So to remove fumbles and read fluently, what you have to do?
Madam, first I will listen some stories in English. Then I will read the same stories with proper pronunciation, tone and expressions. I will also memorize them and practice again and again to improve reading without fumbles.
Excellent. So, you understood listening and reading. Now, writing. When you write, you come to know about your retaining power, grasping power. Then comes another important aspect, but most neglected, is grammar. Try to strengthen your foundation, otherwise you will make same mistakes again and again. My advice is, you start with your introduction, memorize grammatically correct introduction. Then you memorize some short stories and increase your vocabulary. See, introduction gives first impression. If it is bad, you can imagine how it will affect your growth in your career. So go through school level grammar books and learn the basics. I will give my introduction. You listen it carefully, it may help you.
My pleasure, madam. Nikki or Pooch Pooch?
What is that? Nikki or Pooch in Hindi?
Yes, madam. It means good. If anything good, why ask us?
Ha 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 ha. Oh. Okay. Good morning, sir. My name is Kiala, born and brought up in California. I completed my schooling and graduated from Stanford University. At present I am working as a guest lecturer. I have a small family. My father's name is Joseph. He is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My two brothers are studying in a college. I am a humble and friendly person. My hobbies are reading books, watching movies, My aim is to grow in my educational career and impart knowledge to others throughout my life. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Wow, fantastic, madam.
Finally, you have to build confidence and start speaking with others. More you speak, more you will be confident. Start with role play.
Role play?
Come, let's go and watch a role play.
I am playing the role of a farmer, Kantaram.
I am his wife, Shanti Devi. The act is from the play The Great Primus.
I will save some money, and one day I am going to buy a cow.
I will take care of the cow, and I will milk the cow.
Our children will drink milk, and they will become very healthy.
I am going to buy 5 pots. One for milk, one for butter, one for buttermilk, and one for the ghee.
Good, but we need only 4. What is the 5th one for?
Oh, that is for keeping some extra milk to carry milk to my sister.
What? Are you mad? Carrying milk to your sister? Without telling me? Without my permission? How long have you been doing this? Are you mad? Foolish woman?
I look after the cow. I feed the cow. I will do whatever I want with the extra milk. How can you stop me from doing that? Don't shout at me.
You silly woman. You foolish woman. I work hard all day and buy a cow, and you give away the milk to your sister. Are you mad? You foolish woman. Can't you understand?
Cool down, cool down. Where is the cow? It was just a role play.
Role play is a fun activity to develop confidence in speaking English. Do it regularly with your friends. How was the day, bro? The whole day I was speaking English, but I think they may be laughing behind me. Why, bro? What happened? I think I was speaking wrong.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, 15 minutes standing, but no bus.
Oh,
Please tell time. What o'clock in your watch?
ha ha ha. What o'clock in my watch?
What o'clock in your watch? You made mistake. You should have asked, what is the time by your watch? What is the time by your watch?
One more mistake.
How many family members do you have?
I have one father, one mother, and 2 sisters. Both are girls.
Ha ha ha. You have 2 sisters and both are girls. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, this is murder of English. I also made a mistake, bro. I told someone warden is revolving in the hostel. Warden is revolving in the hostel.
So, how was your meeting with Kiala?
It was very nice. She explained all the in detail. My tutor I in Google also said to speak English.
Ice. What happened to you? I am unable to understand a single word.
Sir, I'm trying to speak in British or American accent.
No need, you just speak in your accent. It is normal. Only thing you have to keep in mind is, others should understand what you speak.
Yes, sir.
Let's have some tea. Hello, dear friends. I am Scott, and she is my friend, Jessica. We will also help you to speak English confidently and fluently.
Today we will try to correct a few common mistakes you make while speaking English.
Whenever you give your introduction, don't say, my father name, or my mother name.
It should be, my father's name, or my mother's name.
When you want to say, the name of your school, or college, don't say, my school's name is, say, the name of my school is.
A post off is used to show something belongs to some living thing, like boy's school, uncle's table, cat's tail. Never say table's leg, pen's nib, book's cover.
Don't say, I, myself is Scott. Say, my name is Scott.
I heard Gokul said, warden is revolving in the hostel. Correct sentences, warden is on around in the hostel.
When you ask time, ask, what is the time by your watch?
I heard someone said, my father expired.
Is he a product to expire? So one should say, my father, or he, passed away.
Don't say, I passed out of the college. Passed out means, became, unconscious, for a short time.
Correct sentence is, I graduated from the college or university. Don't say, I did my schooling. Better you say, I completed my schooling.
Hope we are able to help you a little. In the next coming session, we will bring some other mistakes and correct it.
And slowly you will master the English language. Thank you.
Gokul, I am very happy that you are now speaking English. I made many mistakes. Everyone is laughing. I have become a joke.
If they laugh, laugh with them. Take everything positively. See how many things you have learned today. Make mistakes and learn from them. Just pour your heart to learn more.
You mean we have to take out our hearts?
No, it means we have to work hard.
Hi, meet my friend, Lucy.
Hello, my name is Lucy. In the next coming videos, I will explain you some basic grammar. Grammar is foundation to speak and type correct English.
Grammar helps you to speak English without any confusion and will increase confidence level. And don't forget what you have learned today. 7 activities.
L, R, G, M, W, R, S.
Yes, L for listening. There are many good YouTube channels where you can watch and listen English stories, like T-Series Kids Hut, English fairy tales, learn English through stories. R for reading, read the way you listen and improve reading skills. Memorize a few stories, words, phrases, and practice. G for grammar, W for writing, what you learn. R for role play, and S for speaking.
You can use different English learning and speaking apps, like Duolingo, Hello English, Ling, Learn English Daily, Beeling app, Hello Talk, English speaking practice. You can use these apps to improve speaking skills.
Thank you for watching and subscribing our channel, Fame Education.
Now answer this simple question in the comment box, and the lucky participant will get a beautiful t-shirt. What are the 7 activities helpful in speaking English fluently? Please subscribe. Thank you.